हाय एंड वेलकम। आई एम योर होस्ट रोहिणी। आज मुझे बड़ा ही गर्व हो रहा है, पता है क्यों? क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ इंडिया के अलग अलग हिस्सों से ढेर सारी वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जुड़ रही हैं। रियल लाइफ सेल्फ मेड सेलर्स जो ऐसे हालातों में भी डटी हुई हैं, जिनके हौसले बुलंद हैं। Without any further ado, I'd love for all of you who've joined us this afternoon to meet our amazing panelists and get them to tell us a little bit more about them. सबसे पहले कदम हाथ कोलकाता से पायल नाथ। हाय पायल।
Hi, Rohini. Thank you for the invitation to come here. हमारा ब्रांड कदम हाट एक ब्रांड है जो कि रूरल बिजनेसेस को डेवलप करता है. So we are a social entrepreneur. I'm a social entrepreneur, you could say, who are in the business of creating rural businesses. हम बास्केट्स बनाते हैं रूरल एरियाज में और Amazon हमें स्पेस देता है बेचने के लिए.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Thank you so much Payal for joining us. Like to introduce up next Roshni by Sunita Bali, Haryana से Sunita.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sunita Bali and I work in Himachal Pradesh with weavers in remote villages. I travel to their homes and work with them, giving them design intervention. My brand is called Roshni, where I market the products of the weavers I work with.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. We'll be back with you very, very soon. Up next, Art Bunker Noida से पूजा हमारे साथ हैं. Hi पूजा.
Hi, thank you so much for having me here. We run a brand called Potli, where we work with artisans and craft communities across the country to develop educational kits for children to get them to learn about Indian heritage and our culture. And we are thankful to Amazon. We sell on Amazon. We've been connected with Amazon for some time, and Amazon Karigar as well.
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll be back with you very, very soon. Up next, Designish India, Bhopal से Priya Petia.
Hello, hi. My name is Priya. I am from Bhopal, as you mentioned, and my brand name is Designish. मेरा यहाँ काम लोकल जो आर्टिस्ट्स हैं, जो कि भोपाल बहुत फेमस है हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी और जरदोजी के काम के लिए, तो मेरा काम है कि उनको प्रमोट करूं, उनको एक सही प्लेटफॉर्म दे सकूं ताकि वो उनकी अर्निंग रेगुलरली उनकी फैमिली प्रॉपरली सर्वाइव कर पाए, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है. So I'm just making sure that they are getting good information as well as good platform, and through Amazon I'm able to do that.
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much for representing Bhopal. Up next, surprise someone जयपुर से हमारे साथ पिंकी महेश्वरी हैं.
Hi, Rohini. Hi. Thank you for making me part of this event. I'm glad. Our brand name is called Surprise Someone. Yes, we do a lot of surprising things. We make eco-friendly paper, and we don't cut a single tree to make this. Instead, we infuse seeds in our paper and create hundreds and thousands of products. While we do this, we save a resource for the country. We save water, we save paper, we save energy, we save trees. And while all we do this, we empower thousands of women from rural India. And it's a complete 100% women-owned business, and we're selling big time on Amazon. So thanks to Amazon for supporting us, and they were a great support in these difficult times in the last 4 months. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much for representing Jaipur and doing something for the environment. Up next, Sirimiri Bangalore से विजया राजन हमारे साथ हैं.
I'm Vijaya Rajan, founder of Sirimiri Nutrition Food Product, and I started this company to solve a specific problem that I faced, that is not able to find a healthy, balanced, chemical-free snack in the snack market. I was looking for a high fiber and high protein snack which is kind on my stomach, at the same time keep me fuller for a long time. So since I couldn't find any such product in the market, I started my own company and started making energy bars, protein mueslis, and first time in India, probably in the world, we are launching 20-gram whey isolate probiotic protein bar. And I'm so thankful for Amazon and especially Saheli team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much. I must try this wonder food from you. Thank you for that.
Yes.
All right. Up next, Green Souls Mumbai से नेहल हमारे साथ हैं.
नेहल देसाई. and I'm a co-founder of Green Souls. 3 साल पहले हम 3 सहेलियों ने मिलके सोचा कि जब एक सफर शुरू किया जाए कि हमारे कार्बन फुटप्रिंट जो है धरती पे उसे कम किया जाए। उसके लिए हमें एहसास हुआ कि जब हम सोचते हैं सस्टेनेबल लिविंग चाहिए, हमें सस्टेनेबल ऑल्टरनेटिव्स नहीं है हमारी रोजमर्रा की चीजों के लिए, उधर हमारी ब्रांड मिट्टी से मिट्टी तक का जन्म हुआ। एंड हमारी ये चाह थी कि हम पर्यावरण का परिवर्तन कर सके और हमारे साथ जो जुड़ी महिलाएं हैं उनका परिवर्तन कर सके। वो चाह हमें इस राह पे ले आई जो अभी हम थैंक्स टू Amazon एंड Amazon सहेली काफी आगे निकल पड़े। So thank you and happy to be here.
Thank you. Representing my city Mumbai, of course, तो मेरे लिए बहुत खास है। अब चलते हैं आलपुया स्पाइसी काट से सुल्ताना हमारे साथ है।
Hello ma'am, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm Sultana and my brand name is Spicy Card. Actually, it's over a year. I think I just created a brand to sell products online, but it has much reached as much as I could have imagined. And thank you Amazon for this. For how could I don't know how could I make time for this all opportunities. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you, Sultana. Up next, Recce Personal Care Private Limited to Bangalore से स्मिता कुलकर्णी हमारे साथ हैं।
Hi, nice to meet you, Rohini, and all the other women out there. It's a pleasure. I'm going to talk about something which we actually only whisper about, which is the period care products. We are into reusable period care products such as the menstrual cup and these colorful cloth pads. So they are good for the environment, trash-free, they are rash-free, and they are cash-free because you don't have to keep buying monthly. So we want to make everyone's periods a happy periods. And Amazon is helping us reach 350 million menstruating women across India.
Absolutely love it. You said trash. I said it's fantastic. I love your tagline, trash-free, cash-free, rash-free. This is all the things that a woman needs during this time of the month. But thank you so much. That looks so interesting.
Thank you.
All right, to Prapti Handicraft, सूरत से अब हमारे साथ मोनाली है। Hi मोनाली जी, कैसी हैं आप?
Hi, ठीक है। मेरा ब्रांड नेम प्राप्ति हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स है और मैं सूरत गुजरात से हूँ और मैं हैंडमेड ज्वेलरी एसेसरीज बनाती हूँ, होम डेकर की कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स भी बनाती हूँ। Amazon सहेली टीम से मुझे बहुत सारे फायदे हुए हैं। मैं पहले गुजरात लोकल में ही सेलिंग करती थी और Amazon सहेली का कांटेक्ट होने के बाद मेरा पूरा इंडिया में बिजनेस शुरू हुआ है और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू।
क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हमारी चलिए आपने थोड़ी बार में। ऑलराइट, अब नेक्स्ट अब चलेंगे गुजरात से ऑल द वे टू राजस्थान। इंडियन ब्लू आर्ट पॉटरी जयपुर को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं शारदा जी। नमस्कार शारदा जी। खम्मागणी कहते हैं ना
जी? खम्मागणी। मैं शारदा और मेरी फर्म का नाम इंडियन ब्लू आर्ट पॉटरी है और Amazon ने मेरे को स्टेज दिया है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि ये जो हमारी पॉटरी है एकदम लुप्त होने लगी थी, कोई करना ही नहीं चाहता था। लेकिन जब से मैं Amazon से जुड़ी हूँ तो पहले कोई नहीं जानता था कि ब्लू पॉटरी होती क्या है, लेकिन इसके थ्रू मेरे को आज पहचान मिली पॉटरी को। हर कोई जानता है कि हाँ ये ब्लू पॉटरी है, नहीं पहले कोई नहीं समझता था, किसी को बताओ तो ये होता क्या है। लेकिन आज मेरे को काफी इस जो मेरी जो ये पॉटरी है इसकी पहचान मिली, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मुझे बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती है इंडियन ब्लू आर्ट पॉटरी और इसे आप दुनिया तक ले जाइएगा Amazon के साथ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और अब चलते हैं भुवनेश्वर। बीवा बावरी, एंड आई होप आई एम सेइंग इट राइट, जोशना दास हमारे साथ होंगी। जोशना जी, मैं चाहूंगी कि आप अपने ब्रांड का नाम हम सब तक पहुंचाएं।
Thank you so much. This is Joshna Das from Bibhabari. Actually, I'm a fashion designer by profession. Bibhabari promotes eco-friendly and sustainable fashion. Actually, we create handloom garments, hand-painted sarees, accessories, and hand-painted decor also. Through Vibhabari, more than 100 artisans get direct or indirect living. And actually, we are part of Amazon Karigar too. Thank you, Amazon, for promoting us.
थैंक यू। देखिए ये सारे की सारी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो हैं, ये सारी की सारी प्राउड Amazon कारीगर्स और Amazon सहेलीज हैं, एंड दे आर एसोसिएटेड विद Amazon's वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव जिसका नाम है स्टैंड फॉर हैंडमेड। अब इस इनिशिएटिव के तहत 10 लाख आर्टिसंस और वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अक्रॉस इंडिया बाउंस बैक कर रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक डिस्ट्रप्शन कॉज्ड बाय कोविड-19। अब बारी है कि मैं किसी बहुत ही स्पेशल इंसान को आप तक ले आऊं। ये है मिनारी शाह, डायरेक्टर पब्लिक रिलेशंस, Amazon India. Minari, could you kindly come front and say us a few words at this point?
Hi Rohini, thanks. This is really special because पिछले 7 सालों में हमने बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स किए हैं कि किस तरह से हम देश के हर कोने से जो छोटे उद्योग करने वाले हैं, ट्रेडर्स हैं, स्मॉल बिजनेसेस हैं, वो सारे देश में अपने कस्टमर्स को सेल कर सकें. And to have such an amazing number of these women, I'm just, for me, it's really special because this is making it real, for something that we just plan as, putting it on paper. But from blue pottery to, menstrual products, which are correct for our environment and, times, and, health products. So I think what's special about it is कि आज जो हमारे 6 लाख sellers हैं, इनमें ये हर प्रकार के हैं जो इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल चीजें बेच रहे हैं, नए प्रकार की चीजें. These brave entrepreneurs and women who are just trying to do so much, and we're just so proud to be associated. So we've continuously looked at ways to bring them to the country, and more than 50% of these are from small towns. So I think an example of it, Orissa and Rajasthan, and Gujarat, and Bengal. So just to able to bring this together and enable them to kind of sell it across. I'm just delighted to be here. So thank you all of you, because हमारे सारे efforts आप लोगों के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकते हैं. We're just trying, and our customers love your products. So thank you for being
क्या
here.
बात है. थैंक यू मिनारी. ये जो इवेंट में शामिल होके मुझे गाना याद आ गया, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा, and that is truly what Amazon's initiative stand for handmade stands for. लेकिन आप सबसे मिलकर ना मुझे एक और सुपर वुमन की याद आ गई. आप ही की तरह इस महिला ने नंबर्स पर मास्टरी करके पूरी दुनिया को पीछे छोड़ दिया. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ none other than शकुंतला देवी जी की. वो भी आप ही की तरह बोल्ड, ब्रेव और फुल ऑफ डेयरिंग थी. और शायद आपने सुना होगा कि Amazon प्राइम पर उनकी नई फिल्म आ रही है. लगता है चारों ओर सुपर वुमेन ही छाई हुई है. आइए देखते हैं इन कमाल की महिलाओं की एक और झलक. आइए.
हम सब में एक कारीगर है. 372891.
How do you do it?
923.
How are you doing this?
How? एक ऐसा जीनियस जिसको चाह है अपने पांव पर खड़े होने की. इन्हें जरूरत है तो सिर्फ एक मौके की और आपके साथ की. तो देर किस बात की? लीजिए आप भी एक स्टैंड इन कारीगरों के लिए. Let us support Indian entrepreneurs and artisans with Amazon Karigar. Buy handmade products from Stand for Handmade store on Amazon and watch Shakuntala Devi only on Amazon Prime Video.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Such wonder women and such a wonderful initiative. इससे याद आया, मैंने सुना है नेहल शकुंतला देवी से हूबहू मिली थी. आइए सुनते हैं नेहल से उनके once in a lifetime मुलाकात के बारे में. नेहल.
Rohini, you said it correct. It was once in a lifetime, and it's such a coincidence to be on this platform and to recollect my memories of 2008. We were posted abroad and we were residing abroad, and she happened to be traveling to a city, and the Indian community over there is very small. So I was lucky enough that मैंने उनको airport से escort किया, and we had an event with her where we had the whole Indian community got together. Our children got a chance to see her magic, and we had a show with her, and she was doing her magic. That's all. It was like, and everybody is sitting with calculators and उनको numbers दे रहे हैं, इसके साथ इसको जोड़ो, इसको multiply करो, इसको divide करो, and by the time वो calculator पे answers ले रहे हो, उसके पहले तो उनके मुंह से जवाब निकल रहे. It was like, she was like a superhuman. It was a supercomputers होते उससे भी आगे, and we always used to listen about her, but to see her in action it was just fantastic. And उसके बाद उनके साथ उनको कहाँ शॉपिंग जाना है, क्या खरीदना है, यहाँ की क्या चीजें अच्छी है, वो सब देखने से उनका एक very human aspect. So like a superhuman, a human, and it was just a wonderful experience to see her and interact for her for so long. So it was excellent. Once in a lifetime, as you rightly said.
So lucky, Nehal. You're so lucky.
Yes.
और हमारे साथ ये experience share करने के लिए, I swear I have goosebumps because I wish I had met her, and I think that this is something that you will always cherish. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया
Yes. And I will always cherish being on this panel also and talking about that experience. It was wonderful, and it's wonderful remembering it all over again. Thanks to you.
Thank you. That's the beautiful thing about Shakuntala Devi. वो ना केवल एक कमाल की mathematical genius थी, उन्हें human computer बुलाया जाता था. She was also a wife, a mother, and a daughter. लेकिन ये सब होने के बावजूद भी उन्होंने अपने गोल से मुकर नहीं पाए, क्योंकि उनके अंदर एक विश्वास था, एक आत्मविश्वास. But at this point, these wonderful women who are on this panel today, आप सबसे मैं जानना चाहूंगी, आपके क्या challenges हैं जो आपको फेस करने पड़े while you were starting your business? Payal, would you care to join me please and tell us what were the challenges that you faced, for example?
Sure, being a social entrepreneur itself is challenging and exciting. और जब आप गांव में काम करते हो और ऐसी जगहों में जहाँ पे ये जो artisans हैं, men are not very happy initially जब women socially और economically empowered होना शुरू होती हैं. So to handle those aspects of community, सिंपल चीजें जो हम सिटी में बैठ के इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते. कॉल करके बोलते हैं, मैडम मुर्गी चोरी हो गई गांव में, तो आज पूरा गांव काम नहीं कर रहा है. We have an export deadline to meet. How do you handle challenges like these? The perception of making products. We had an export order of 5,000 bags, and the 500 women that we had trained और जो production कर रही हैं, they refused to use the tapes which were given to them for measuring गुटे हाथ. यहाँ से यहाँ लेडी का वही उनका मेजरमेंट है. अब हर लेडी का हाथ का मेजरमेंट फर्क है, सो नेचुरली पूरी प्रोडक्शन फर्क होगी. सो टू ब्रिंग टुगेदर, streamline, come on the same wavelength as a team, as a family, easy, not just in terms of how to say economic business, but socially to come on the same platform is absolutely. But I think the biggest reward of being a social entrepreneur has been to see these mostly uneducated women. हम 600 औरतों के साथ फिलहाल काम करते हैं और हमने ट्रेन 6000 औरतों से ऊपर को किया है at the moment. So when you see the hidden talent unleashed, and the strength which they had within them unleashed, और वो एक हमें एक victory लगती है once we see at the end of the day these communities are socially and economically empowered. अपने लिए जगह वहाँ पे भी बना लेती हैं because of certain efforts that we did, और वो हम जुटे रहे तो वो भी जुटे रहे, और हम सब मिलके इकट्ठे जुटे रहे जो हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आके आज बात कर पा रहे हैं उसके बारे में, बास्केटरी के लिए.
This is really amazing. Thank you so much for sharing those wonderful insights. जब तक आप grassroots level पर जाएंगे नहीं, आपको ये challenges समझ नहीं आएंगे, और मैं कहती हूँ औरतें ही दुनिया चलाएंगी. आप next of course ऐसी एक औरत से मैं मिलाना चाहती हूँ आपको, ये स्मिता. स्मिता, आप भी अपना अनुभव जो है हमारे साथ थोड़ा share कीजिए please.
जी, तो एक the main two challenges we have is, first one is it's a using menstrual cup or cloth pads are more a concept sell than a product sell. We have to explain how to use a cup, and how each cup, like if you talk in terms of Shakuntala Devi, each cup saves about 2,000 sanitary pads from going to the landfill. So plus it's healthy, and plus it's very, very comfortable. You can swim during periods in this. So this is all a concept. Using a menstrual cup is a completely different concept than using disposable pads. So this concept sell is what we need to do, and we find it really hard to sell each product. which is what enables us in the online platform. Offline retail में हर एक customer को इतना explain करना मुश्किल है, but thanks to social media, thanks to the online videos that we are able to put forth, we are able to do that. And the other challenge is moving, disposable pads from the FMCG criteria to the category to the consumer durables. हमारा ये है कि एक बार एक पैकेट नैपकिन्स बेचा तो कस्टमर बार बार आएगा दुकान में हर महीने खरीदने के लिए, और एक कप है जो 10 साल चलता है, तो एक बार कस्टमर ने खरीद लिया तो 10 साल तक वो वापस नहीं आएगा. सो इट इज नॉट द रेगुलर FMCG प्रोडक्ट, इट इज अ कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल. जैसे आप टीवी खरीदते हो, फ्रिज खरीदते हो, 10 साल में एक ही बार खरीदते हो, वैसे ही सैनिटरी केयर प्रोडक्ट भी, मतलब यू मूव इट टू द कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स. दीज आर द 2 प्राइमरी challenges that we are working on and struggling with.
Wow. I just want to say, Smita, it's a mindset जो आप बदलना चाहती हैं, ये आदतें बदलना चाहती है. It's not just about, what you need to use and throw. It's about being a little more environment conscious. And जैसे मैंने कहा, ये एक बहुत ही बड़ी चीज है जो आप करने निकली हैं. And we wish you all the best once again from Amazon Stand with Handmade. अब आप जैसी आत्मनिर्भर और इंस्पिरेशनल महिलाओं से मिलने के लिए मैं एक बहुत ही खास सरप्राइज गेस्ट को बुलाना चाहती हूँ. आप मेरा साथ दीजिए इन्हें वेलकम करने में. जहां पर भी हैं, जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिएगा पद्मश्री विद्या बालन का.
Hi. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Vidya.
Hi. कैसी हैं
All right. मैं तो बहुत बढ़िया. I just want to say what you've been doing with even the promotions, of Shakuntala has been beautiful. And मैं assume कर रही हूँ कि यही ये मिलन था, ये मिलाप था real life Shakuntala Devi और real life sellers का on the same panel. So I just want to say, I feel that this is so beautiful. Let me start off by complimenting you. आज जितनी भी महिलाएं हैं यहाँ पर, they are also, forerunners in their own right. They're out there to forge their paths. But आप जैसी inspiring औरत जब हमारे साथ आती हैं, we just get a little more motivated. How does it feel to be that inspiration for all of us?
Oh my God. That is, of course, a lovely compliment. But I don't know how to take it, because it feels wonderful when someone says you're an inspiration, but उसके लिए मैं खास कुछ कर नहीं रही. मैं बहुत खुशनसीब हूँ कि मुझे इस तरह का काम मिलता है जिसको देखकर लोग प्रेरित होते हैं. I think because ऐसे किरदार मैंने निभाए अपने करियर में, ऐसी औरतों की कहानियां सुनाई हैं जिनसे लोग प्रेरणा ले सकते हैं. तो मेरा इसमें मुझे लगता है कम योगदान है, खुशनसीबी ज्यादा है.
क्या बात है. How beautiful, and as ever, how humble. Thank you so much, Vidya. Shakuntala Devi, kal Amazon par. I am so excited to watch this wonderful film.
Actually, आज
I'm
रात
sure
12 बजे.
Oh yes, it's tonight. I'm so excited और मैं इनकी जर्नी आपके किरदार के थ्रू देखने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. लेकिन अब इससे पहले I want to really introduce you to some fantastic friends. हम अंग्रेजी में friend कहते हैं, लेकिन मैं इनको अपनी सखियां बुलाती हूँ. तो let me introduce you to my सखीज. पायल नाथ कोलकाता से,
Oh wow.
सुनीता हरियाणा से, पूजा नोएडा से, प्रिया पेठिया भोपाल से, पिंकी महेश्वरी जयपुर से, विजया राजन बैंगलोर से, नेहल मुंबई से, आलपुया शाहाना सुल्ताना, और इनके साथ साथ है बैंगलोर से स्मिता कुलकर्णी, सूरत से मोनाली और जयपुर से शारदा, और इनके साथ है भुवनेश्वर से जोशना दास. हाय लेडीज.
हाय. अब सबके नाम मुझसे मत पूछना प्लीज.
I must tell you, ये सारी की सारी सखियां जो मेरी हैं, they're entrepreneurs associated with Amazon's Stand for Handmade initiative, जो millions of artisans को help कर रहा है across India to get back on their feet after setbacks caused due to COVID-19. एक और बार मैं मिनारी शाह को बुलाना चाहूंगी, Director Public Relations, Amazon India. Vidya, she's a recognized leader representing Amazon here. Minari, at this point, if you could shed some light on the Stand for Handmade initiative, hum sabke saath, please.
Firstly, hi.
Hi, Vidya.
Hi.
First of all, it's terrific to have you here.
Thank you.
for being here. I think you were being very modest earlier because I think it's not just the characters. I think हम सब आपको associate करते हैं कि you stand for women empowerment, as well as I think what's really special to me here is one part is the women, but also that you often stood for traditional Indian textiles and legacy arts and all of that. And I think हमारा जो कारीगर और सहेली programs हैं, that's what we started to do. We thought that we have such wonderful, rich traditional art and crafts that how do we take it across? खत है उड़ीसा का या बांधनी है ये सारे देशवासियों को पसंद है. And Stand for Handmade is a very specific effort that we've made now, where हम इन artisans को, weavers को और जो entrepreneurs हैं इन सबके products को we've created a dedicated online storefront. तो इससे literally like 10 लाख से ऊपर कारीगर और artisans को कुछ फायदा होता है. They're able to make their products visible to customers across the country, and they're really able to survive in these difficult times. So in normal times the efforts were really कि ये अपने sales को बढ़ा सकें, ये अपने sales को सारे देश में फैला सकें. But in these times it's really not about just increasing, it's about survival.
Right.
And recently in fact जब हमने we did a small business day, so we saw that there is such a huge demand. Customers want these products. There was almost like a 4.5 guna increase in business for these karigars. And
Wow.
The women sellers, the Saheli sellers as we call them, so a 5x growth, a 5 guna increase. So, and the women who are here, they're really special. So I think your being here to encourage these efforts, to talk about it, to tell people about these, I think is really special. So I think a great thank you to all these wonderful women who are making the brave journey to be entrepreneurs and helping karigars in Saheli, and to you to join with Amazon for this.
No, thank you so much. But I want to say that today this session is extra special to me. Like you said, I've always been, I don't want to call myself a supporter, but a lover of Indian textiles, arts and crafts. And I'm so glad that Amazon is doing this, facilitating or bridging the gap between the artisans and the consumers, because this is what we really need. We've got such a rich heritage, and a lot of times, it would bother me that people from abroad come and of course pick up mementos, pick up artifacts from India, and we ourselves weren't doing that. But now I'm so glad that we are able to celebrate the rich diversity and heritage that we have, because it is probably the richest in the world. And it's wonderful that the people who are keeping our rich traditions alive are going to be able to partake in the richness of this, if you know what I mean. Their survival gives it that much more meaning. And of course, not at this point, like you said, it is survival, but I think once we're through this period, it will go beyond that. And I'm looking forward to that phase when it's not just about survival, it goes beyond that.
I mean, that's a wonderful thing, Vidya, because I think one of the things that Amazon really thinks about, हम बहुत दूरदर्शी देखते हैं, हम बहुत आगे की सोचने में believe करते हैं. So as a company looking at कि इनको कैसे और आगे ले जाया जाए, इंडिया में, इंडिया के बाहर, दोनों ही जगहों पे, कैसे ये और भी अपनी बिक्री बढ़ा सकें. And we're seeing some wonderful examples of that. And what's interesting is it includes both, right? It includes a rich tradition, but it also includes very new kind of products. I think that we have here, they're doing health, yoga, nutrition bars from Sirimiri, and menstrual products which are eco-friendly. So I think that's what's really interesting, to be able to bring these women together. So
yeah, I think it's more power to you and to all of you, who are doing this wonderful work.
and to you.
Thank you so much. मिनाली, एक और बार मैं आपको शुक्रिया कहना चाहूंगी बिकॉज ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से आपने हमें बताया कि कैसे अमेज़न जो है इस वक्त इंडिया के कोने कोने से जाकर ये सारी कला जो है हम तक पहुंचा पा रहा है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए. एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ कोर्स मैं विद्या आपसे कहना चाहूंगी कि आपके यहाँ आने से पहले हमारी कुछ सखियों ने अपने चैलेंज भरे स्टोरीज मुझे सुनाए. कहा कि कैसे जब अपना बिजनेस शुरू कर रही थी तो उनको ये पता ही नहीं था कि अरे वाह ऐसा चैलेंज हो सकता है. कहीं पर माइंडसेट का चैलेंज है, कहीं पर टेक्नोलॉजी की चैलेंज है. तो क्यों ना, क्योंकि आप हमारे साथ आज जुड़ चुकी हैं, you're one of us, right? अपनी कोई चैलेंज हम तक पहुंचाए ताकि हम ये मान ले कि विद्या बालन आप भी ह्यूमन हैं, ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर बनने से पहले.
Of course, बहुत challenges रहे हैं मेरी लाइफ में, but I think the most crucial one was जब मैं फिल्में करने लगी. जिस तरह की फिल्में कर रही थी उसमें मुझे ज्यादा खुशी महसूस नहीं होती थी, क्योंकि वहां पे मुझे करने को कुछ था नहीं. हीरो का ही काम था. और मैं अपने आप में सोचती रहती थी कि काश कि एक दिन आए जब कहानी मेरे इर्द गिर्द, मतलब फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट पर बने. और वही एक विश्वास था मेरे ख्याल से जिसके वजह से मैंने कुछ ऐसे रोल्स चुने जो लोगों को अनकन्वेंशनल लगे, पर मैंने ईमानदारी से किए और वो सारे काम कर गए. एंड देन व्हिच इज व्हाई कभी कभी हम देख नहीं पाते कि किस तरह से we will be able to bring about change, पर अगर वो चाह हो तो रास्ते खुद ब खुद खुल जाते हैं. ये मेरे कहने का मतलब है. मैंने खुद ये महसूस किया, मैंने खुद ये एक्सपीरियंस किया, इसीलिए मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ. तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत चैलेंजेस आएंगे एंड आई एम श्योर स्पेशली माइंडसेट चेंज करना बहुत ही मुश्किल बात है. पर अगर हम डटे रहे, अगर आत्मविश्वास हो, तो मैंने देखा है कि बंद दरवाजे भी खुल जाते हैं.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. She's not just a woman, she's a movement, man, विद्या बालन. और जैसे हमारा movement है stand for handmade, handmade की बात करते हैं विद्या. I've always seen you, आपने हमेशा अपनाया है इस sort of कारीगरी को, ये जो ओरिजिनल आर्टिसनल हेरिटेज जिसे कहते हैं इंडिया का. और आपने कहा कि कैसे लोग आकर यहाँ से हमारा सामान लेकर जाते थे. ये क्यों जरूरी है, चाहे छोटा सा आर्ट फॉर्म हो, बास्केट वीविंग हो, कुछ और हो. Why do you think it's important to keep these art forms alive? मुझे बताइए.
Because that is our rich cultural heritage. It's our legacy. अगर हम उसे वैल्यू नहीं करेंगे, अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे, तो it will be a waste. And we can be self-sufficient. Our Prime Minister has been talking about becoming आत्मनिर्भर. वो तभी होगा जब हम खुद की वैल्यू को समझें. And which therefore I also mean, to appreciate the diverse arts and crafts that we have within the country. I'm I've been wearing textiles from all over the country for years now because मैं बहुत साड़ियाँ पहनती हूँ और मुझे बहुत शौक है. अलग-अलग रीजन से, राज्यों से, प्रांतों से मुझे साड़ियाँ गिफ्ट करते हैं. And it's unbelievable कि एक देश में there could be such a wide range available in terms of fabrics, in terms of weaving techniques, in terms of work like embroidery and various other techniques that they employ, and my mind has just opened up. पहले तो मुझे पता था कि अच्छा बनारसी होती है, कांजीवरम होती है. अब तो रियलाइज कर रही हूँ कि there's such a wide variety, and उसी फैब्रिक्स को लेके अगर आप साड़ी नहीं पहनना चाहते हैं तो उससे आप ड्रेसेस बना सकते हैं, जो भी बना सकते हैं. which is why I think it's a great thing that आज के डिजाइनर्स भी जो कर रहे हैं, they are working with weavers and they are contemporizing the use of these fabrics, not just being used for saris. I think it's wonderful because अगर हम खुद की वैल्यू नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम बहुत कुछ गवा देंगे. पूरी दुनिया में एक ही भारत है.
बिल्कुल. खास करके जब आप शकुंतला देवी को प्रमोट कर रही हैं, हम सब ऑफ कोर्स आपको फॉलो करते हैं और मैं देख रही थी कि कैसे से आपने हर एक साड़ी जो है, हर एक आउटफिट जो है, उसे वीवर्स को क्रेडिट देते हुए पोस्ट किया है। एंड ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो इतनी सारी औरतों को इंस्पायर करेंगे कि क्यों हम अपने ही ब्रांड में क्यों ना विश्वास रखें। इनफैक्ट अब मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ बिकॉज आपसे मेरी सखियां बात करने वाली हैं। सबसे पहले मैं सुनीता जी को जोड़ना चाहूंगी विद्या आपके साथ। सुनीता जी, सवाल पूछना चाहेंगी आप?
हाय
Hi, Vidya.
Hi.
Hi. My brand is called Roshni, and it is named after, yeah, hi. It is named after my weaver, whom I started working with 10 years back in Himachal Pradesh. I work in Himachal Pradesh. And it, yeah, thank you. It represents the hundreds of weavers who work tirelessly on their looms day and night, producing beautiful textiles. Vidya ji, I would like, Vidya ji, I'd like to ask you a question. What difficulties did Shakuntala Devi have in achieving her goals? And what advice would you like to give to the women in realizing their dreams and to achieve their passion?
I think, you know, the world did not understand Shakuntala Devi क्योंकि उनमें आसमान छूने की चाह थी। और हम 50 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, जब समाज में ये धारणा थी कि एक बार औरत माँ बन जाए, once the woman is a mother, she feels complete. So there is no need for, she has no need for anything else in life. Least of all to do something for herself, to follow her passion. But I think that was the one challenge she faced, because of which there were conflicts in her relationships, even at home with her daughter, which is what you'll see in the film. पर उन्होंने इन सब चीजों को अपने आड़े नहीं आने दिया. She did not let anything hold her back. You know, because अगर आपके अपने लोग आपसे सच्चा प्यार करते हैं, तो they will come around. They will support you if they don't already. And we have just one life, you know, each of us, and we have to make the most of it. Because otherwise, like I said, it would have been a life wasted, you know. And women are capable of so much. We, I think, anyway, multitask a great deal in our lives, but it's high time we started doing something for ourselves. I think that was a one challenge, because we're talking 50 years ago, and I don't think people understood why she needed to follow her passion even after she had become a mother. But she did, and look where she reached. You know, there's a lovely line in the trailer. If you've seen the trailer, she says, "Jab amazing ho sakti hu, to normal kyun banu?" So basically, you know, don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. Don't make yourself less amazing because you think that. अब हम औरतें जो है कभी-कभी अपने आप को छोटा बना लेती है. We shrink ourselves. You know, we diminish ourselves so that the people around us don't feel threatened. We should stop doing that.
Thank you so much. It was wonderfully said.
Thank you.
Wow, that was so beautifully said कि अपने आप को देखिए, किसी और को बड़ा फील करवाने के लिए अपने आप को छोटा बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. अब नेक्स्ट मैं पूजा जी से दरख्वास्त करना चाहूंगी. आइए अपना सवाल पूछिए.
Hi.
I feel so lucky to be here talking to you about Shakuntala.
Thank you.
I
feel the same.
We have a brand called Potli, where we work with artisans across India and craft communities to create educational kits for children to keep in an effort to keep the crafts alive, and also to introduce children to Indian heritage and our culture and the traditional wisdom that has been passed on to us for generations.
Right.
And what's always inspired me about Shakuntala Devi has been, how she excited children from colleges and schools about numbers, about maths, and got them to do so well, and got them to love numbers and maths. So since you've played the role of Shakuntala Devi, unfortunately, I've not had the fortune of ever meeting her. So I'm, talking to you. through you, I would like to get an insight into, what was the key, what would you say the key is to excite children to learn about something that we would want them to learn?
Just let kids. I think it's great that you're making available these kits to children, because children only get interested when they can break things apart, they can disrupt things, they can tear things apart and then put them together. ऐसे ही तो बच्चे सीखते हैं. So I think it's such a great idea. I want to ask you, are these kits only available to kids in the rural centers, or is this also a program that's part of urban schools?
Totally urban schools. They are more
great.
Urban schools, and we are now collaborating with a lot of schools as well. We are working with children. We're working with schools to fit them into their curriculum as well. So this becomes as a part of their everyday learning, and we do conduct workshops. We have and the kits that we do are all DIY, do it yourself. The kids can do this on their own. And we are trying to cover as many art forms as possible in our country, and the crafts as well, and the culinary experiences. Because for culture, we feel that it's an amalgamation of lifestyle, your textiles, the crafts, the food. So we're trying to in everything for children as young as 5 years.
This makes me really happy, because I have to say that I wasn't aware of the work Potli is doing, but more power to you. And आपने कहा कि बच्चों को कैसे and I think excite करें, प्रोत्साहित करें. I think it's just about letting them experience, because there's nothing like do it yourself, right? And शकुंतला देवी फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब वो अपने शोज करती थी तो इतने स्कूल्स में जाके उन्होंने मैथ शोज किए हैं, और काफी लोगों से मैं मिली हूँ क्योंकि अब वो मेरी जनरेशन के हैं या मुझसे भी बड़े हैं जिनको शकुंतला देवी ने देखा, जो शकुंतला देवी के मैथ शोज देख चुके हैं. एंड सो मेनी पीपल टेल मी कि उन्होंने हमें फील करवाया कि ये बहुत सिंपल है, क्योंकि उन्होंने बच्चों के साथ शॉर्टकट्स शेयर किए, एक मजेदार तरीके से, इंटरैक्टिव तरीके से उन्होंने अपने मैथ शोज किए. So when people feel that even I can do it, is when those barriers break, which is why so many people befriended maths thanks to Shakuntala Devi. And I think that's what is going to happen with Potli, which is already happening. But I hope it becomes like a nationwide movement with Potli. Really, I'm so inspired by what you're doing. I think it's fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was so beautiful. Thank you for that. Up next, Pinky Ji. Pinky Ji, namaskar. All right, go for it.
Hi, Pinky.
Hi, Vidya. Wow, I'm quite excited and glad to share this virtual screen with Vidya Balan. That's incredible. Had COVID not been there, I think we would have been sharing the stage and that would have been more awesome.
Yeah,
So,
but
yes.
I guess this is the best possible solution in these times.
Yeah, so I'm glad and thanks to Amazon for giving such a beautiful platform. So Vidya, we are a startup and we called as Surprise Someone. And it's a complete 100% women-owned business where my mom is my partner in my company. And we make eco-friendly products where we make paper without cutting a single tree. Instead, we infuse seeds in the paper. So we make paper from waste cotton, जो cotton होता है कपड़े की लुगदी जिसे बोलते हैं, उससे हम paper बनाते हैं, and then उस paper में we infuse seeds, and then we create paper, and from that paper we create thousands of products like diaries, journals, office organizers. We creating plantable rakhis which take a spot at landfills, so they all grow into plants. So you don't throw it, but you grow it. And this all has been great success because of Amazon, because हम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि इंडिया के हर कोने-कोने तक हम पहुंच पाएंगे. So thanks to Amazon.
But what an idea, Pinky! आपने शुरू कैसे किया? मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि how did you get the idea, or how did you know how to go about doing this?
So yes, Vidya, I worked for 12 years in corporate. And then जैसे सब ladies की या women की वो situation होती है जब बच्चा हो जाता है तो you have to leave job. So that was my situation. And when my son was born, then I left my job and I thought of doing something. And it started with my son only because वो paper बहुत scribble करता था and I used to say paper को मत waste करो. So one day everybody was sitting and my dad said, you know, paper आप बना भी सकते हो. You know, paper बिना पेड़ कटे भी बनता है. I was not knowing. And then my dad is an environmentalist since 40 years. So he has a huge experience. Yeah, my mom, dad both. So that was the first day where we made paper at home. हमने मिक्सी पे घर में पेपर बनाया, छत पे जाके सुखाया और एक पेपर बैग से की थी शुरुआत और आज 1 लाख से ज्यादा पेपर बैग बनाते हैं हम.
Wow.
Thanks to Amazon again.
That's
Thank you so much.
amazing. And I love what you said. Don't throw, grow. है ना?
Why throw when we can grow?
Why throw when we can grow? What a fantastic line.
So when we buy chocolate boxes या मिठाई के box या फिर wedding के invites, usually हम लोग थोड़ा दिन use करते हैं और या फिर whatever थोड़ा देर, and then we have to throw. We have no choice. But why throw and create spotted landfills and then global warming? So
that's
grow
absolutely amazing. So why throw when you can grow? What a lovely philosophy, you know.
Thank you. And Vidya, you've been an inspiration and I follow you and I think entire world follows you. And like for tonight, everybody is waiting for the big show. So, you know, आपका ट्रेलर मूवी का ट्रेलर देखा और उसमें मुझे एक बहुत ही बढ़िया लाइन दिखी जो आपने अभी बताई, जो आपने एज अ शकुंतला देवी एज अ मॉम बोला कि मैं अमेजिंग हूँ तो नॉर्मल क्यों बनूं. Like I said, I have a mom as my partner and she's been an amazing partner and she's been a support system for my enterprise. I would like to say for a women entrepreneur who have a mom as a partner is कि उनकी पहली जीत तो हो ही गई है because we've got a partner, we can blindly have faith.
Right.
So मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि जो women entrepreneurs अपनी mom को या mother daughter duo माँ बेटी बनके एक enterprise चलाना चाहती हैं, आप उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यही कि जैसे आपने कहा इससे अच्छा कोई पार्टनरशिप नहीं हो सकता. You know, because you understand each other so well. एक deep trust होता है between a mother and a child and between a mother and a daughter particular. पर पिंकी बताइए आपके झगड़े नहीं होते?
बिल्कुल, आपका वो ट्रेलर देख के मैं कितना रिलेट कर पा रही हूँ. I told my mom so many times, आपको नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए ये करने के लिए ये. तो I was like, mom, she's talking like this only.
No, I think you know, it's absolutely amazing. और कभी नोक झोंक होती है तो I guess we have to remember, the mother has to remember that her child has grown up, or let the child be an individual, and the child has to also remember that you're not working with your mother, you're working with an individual. I think in that working atmosphere, you know, वो respect बना रहे बहुत जरूरी है as professionals, because otherwise as mother and daughter you tend to take each other for granted. Don't you agree?
Yes. So yes. There are a lot of time there have been instances, but then we try and maintain that.
Yeah, I think that's very, very crucial. And for the mother to know that probably the child has kept up with what is happening in the world, and for the child to know that the mother has more experience on which we can draw upon and utilize, and because you know, entrepreneurship requires both experience and keeping in touch with what's happening around the world, new age ideas. So it can be a beautiful marriage and the best example of woman power.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vidya. And I'm sure when my mom will watch this, she will even feel proud.
Please convey my regards to her.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. बहुत सारी लड़कियों का प्लान, मैंने अभी अपनी मम्मी को मैसेज किया कि मम्मा मैं आ रही हूँ, साथ में देखेंगे शकुंतला देवी, because oh my god, that is so special, the mother-daughter relationship. पिंकी के बाद अब प्रिया की बारी है. Hi प्रिया.
हेलो विद्या जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक.
मेरी बहन का नाम भी प्रिया है, by the way.
मेरी ब्रांड का नाम डिजाइनिश है विद्या मैम, और मैं भोपाल से हूँ. यहाँ पर काम है, चूंकि यहाँ भोपाल काफी फेमस है जरदोजी और हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी के लिए, और चूंकि ये काम बहुत महंगा होता है तो यहाँ पर कारीगर का सर्वाइवल का इश्यू बहुत होता है. यहाँ से उनको काम नहीं मिलता है.
अच्छा.
Workshop where these people can actually work with me, and I give them opportunity to, you know, create something like potli bags or handmade bags or hand embroidered bags, scarves that I can sell over Amazon platforms like Amazon. And I have got international clients also who really appreciate this work because it is, as you said, it is pure hand embroidered stuff. So I'm just trying, you know, create a bridge between them and what actually is the requirement in the market.
So how many Sahelis do you have in your unit?
I have around, see, a total of 25 karigars I have, out of which 10 are women and 15 are men, because दोनों का ही काम होना जरूरी होता है. अब जैसे हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी का काम औरतें बहुत खूबसूरत करती हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा, उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस है, 20 सालों से वो करती चली आ रही हैं. स्टिचिंग का काम है, definitely men are equivalent, I mean almost like participating into this thing. तो stitching and hand embroidery ऐसा मिलाकर पूरा एक वेंचर क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की है इधर भोपाल में.
Tell me, आपकी जो the women working with you, उनको उनके फैमिली सपोर्ट करते हैं? जब उन्होंने काम शुरू किया तो were they open to the fact that, you know, हाँ ये अब काम पे जाएंगी, पैसा कमाएंगी?
नहीं, बहुत मुश्किल होता है विद्या जी. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि उनको वर्कशॉप तक लाना सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है. मुझे उन तक सामान ले जाना पड़ता है, बार बार उनको देना पड़ता है. समटाइम्स इट इज लाइक द किड्स और उनके पति मना कर रहे हैं, या फिर उनका जो जिस रास्ते से आते हैं, जिस एरिया से आते हैं, उनका बाहर निकलना मुश्किल होता है. बिकॉज हियर इन भोपाल वी हैव गॉट रीजन्स लाइक, I really don't want to get into that, but ऐसा regions बने हुए हैं, तो वहां तक सामान ले जाकर मैं उनको वो काम देती हूँ कि एटलीस्ट आप घर पर बैठकर आप ये काम करें, और फिर जाकर वापस उनसे लेती हूँ. And then I have got workshop over here at my residence also, where if they are willing to come, then they can definitely do that. और फिर मैं उनको काम बताती हूँ, एक पूरा प्रोसेस है डिजाइनिंग का that I do, कि ये काम इस तरह से करना है, so that we can make the piece exclusive as well as per the requirement.
पर एक बार वो काम शुरू कर ले तो फिर उनकी फैमिली, do they come around?
Yes, you're right. Actually, yes. Now this is what is happening, because हर रोज का जब वो काम कर रहे हैं और फैमिली देख रही है, तो मदर इन लॉ हुई, हस्बैंड हुए, या इस तरह से जो एक ग्रुप बना लेते हैं, तो मेरा काम भी काफी आसान हो जाता है और उनको भी बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है. जो ग्रेजुअली कम हो रही है, तो आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कि आई कैन डू समथिंग अ बिट फॉर देम, सो दैट I can, you know, revive this whole thing, because of Dozy work, which is a royal work, and just trying a bit of it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, thank you. And my question, I'm like a huge fan of yours.
Thank you.
Collection also. मैं हमेशा Instagram पर आपको फॉलो करती हूँ, और चूंकि मैं खुद एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ, तो मेरा मैं देखती हूँ, मैं सीखती भी रहती हूँ आपसे. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे बस ये है विद्या जी कि आपने बाकी भी क्राफ्ट्स देखे हुए हैं, इंडियन क्राफ्ट में आपको क्या नया दिखता है? और दूसरा, हैंडलूम और हैंडीक्राफ्ट एंड आर्टिसन कम्युनिटी लाइक मी और अस, आप उनका भविष्य किस तरह से देखते हैं, और क्या हो सकता है, क्या किया जा सकता है ताकि वो और आगे बढ़े?
आई थिंक जैसे मैं कुछ देर पहले ही कह रही थी कि अब हमें अपनी ही अहमियत का एहसास हो रहा है एज women and as a country. So, you know, ये सही वक्त है to promote our arts and crafts and textiles, because अब लोग, you know, for the longest time people wanted to use, you know, imported products. They also, there is, I guess, machine made products are cheaper, so that's always easier to access. But at least एक जागरूकता फैल रही है कि अच्छा, you know, there is a certain responsibility to the environment, and people are feeling that, you know, we should help in this sustainability movement that all of us can contribute. I'm looking all around me, और सिर्फ you know, कुछ लोगों की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. पहले लगता था कि अच्छा ये सिर्फ there is a type बहुत कम लोग हैं जिनमें ये अवेयरनेस है, और जैसे एक्टिविस्ट हैं या जो NGOs चलाते हैं उनमें ज्यादा अवेयरनेस है, पर now I'm seeing that this awareness is spreading more and more, and social media is definitely a great contributor to that. And I think therefore that it's a great time. I foresee a great future, and I think our government is also going to support this all the more. That's the sense I get.
Right.
And most importantly, lay people, like me and you and everyone has to support this in every way possible.
That is true. I agree. Absolutely agree. And I think that this is the way we move forward. Yep.
All the best.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
विद्या, अब जो हमसे मिलने आ रही है, her product really मतलब मुझे काफी एक्साइट कर गया, क्योंकि एक हमेशा से प्रॉब्लम रहती है कि खाने के जो शौकीन लोग होते हैं उन्हें हेल्दी ऑल्टरनेटिव्स की जरूरत होती है, और दिस इज वेयर विजया कम्स इन. विजया जी, अपने ब्रांड के बारे में जरूर बताइएगा विद्या को.
Sure.
Hi.
I'm so happy to be talking to you and being part of this show. And my company.
Similarly.
Yes, thank you. And our company is Sirimiri Nutrition Food Products, and we manufacture energy bars, high protein mueslis, and 20-gram whey isolate probiotic protein bar. There is no such product like probiotic protein bar available right now anywhere in the market, in the world also. We just yes, thank you so much. And I want to take this Sirimiri special product, which is manufactured in Bengaluru, to the global audience and make India proud. Just like Shakuntala ji traveled around the globe to spread.
And she was from Bangalore.
Yeah, I know. So to spread her love for mathematics. So see, my question to you, Vidya, is in the movie trailer, there is one particular scene from Imperial College.
Yeah.
Where Shakuntala ji created a world record and got enlisted in the Guinness Book of World Records. So how did shooting for such an intense scene feel like? What was going on? What were you thinking while recording that?
Obviously I was very excited because ये बहुत important scene है film में, and it was one of the highlights of her life. That's one. There are a couple of things that everyone knows about Shakuntala Devi, that she was a mathematical genius. She was known as a human computer the world over, and that her name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. So I think I didn't feel the weight of it, but I did feel very special that I'm at least able to recreate that scene. But I had to remember a 26-digit number, which was the answer.
Homework for you.
No, but I actually enjoyed it. I enjoy numbers, so I also tend to play with numbers. Nothing like Shakuntala Devi. I'm nowhere close to her, but I think this film helped me rekindle my love for numbers. So वो आसानी से याद हो गया, and I had to repeat it so many times. And बहुत foreigners थे in the audience. Because this happened in Imperial College, London. So obviously there were a lot of Londoners in the scene. And every time I, just recited that answer, they would break into an applause, and that was so encouraging for me. I can only imagine what it might have been for Shakuntala Devi, what it might have been for the audience to have witnessed that in real time, with her standing on stage and actually giving the answer in 28 seconds. It's just incredible. Amazing. So I was very thrilled to have been able to recreate it at least. And I think I definitely like to try your probiotic bar. I'm going to order some for myself.
Thank you.
And I really think this is, like you said, a unique product. So I hope you're able to take it the world over through Amazon.
Thank you,
all the very best.
Thank you so much, Vidya. Means a lot. Thank you.
Your name is Vijaya, right?
Yes, Vijaya.
So Vijay to आपके नाम में है. Victory is in your name.
Yes, thanks to my parents.
Absolutely. God bless you.
Thank you. Bye, Vidya.
Bye.
So cute. That was Vijaya and Vidya. आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा खास मौका हम सबको मिला, of course, विद्या से बातें करने का. लेकिन it's not enough that I thank her. Of course, मैं उन्हें thank you जरूर बोल सकती हूँ. लेकिन to do us the honors at this point, मैं चाहूँगी कि मिनारी जो है वो फिर से एक और बार आए. And could you please sum it up with your vote of thanks?
Thanks, Rashmi. As I was listening to all this, what I was thinking was कि एक तरफ आप हैं जो खुद अपनी लाइफ से and स्क्रीन पे आप एक बहुत ही प्रेरित करने वाला किरदार निभा रही हैं, which everyone's wanting to understand and know. And it's not like everyone knows that she was a mathematical genius, but we don't know enough about her life and what she went through. So on one hand, there is this brilliant story that's coming to life. And then I was listening to all these women. And, even someone like us, someone like me working with Amazon, working with all of these, it's easy to lose track. And then ये सारी अद्भुत कहानियां सुनते हुए कि उन्होंने अपने लाइफ में कैसे इंस्पायर होके कुछ नया शुरू किया, कुछ encourage, and for them to have that conversation with you, I think is really special. I think, by the way, I think you did a fantastic job bringing those stories out. Thank you so much for being here with us and helping all of us really take this story forward. It's a journey that we are very enthusiastic about, we're very proud about, and having all of these wonderful entrepreneurs and karigars in the countries, brave women and people like you support is what we really need. So thank you so much for being here with us.
No, thank you for your thank you, and thank you for this wonderful time. This 1 hour with all of you has been really special because I'm very passionate about telling the India story to the world. And this is a very crucial chapter in it. And I love getting to know people's stories actually, which is why, sorry, I digress sometimes. शायद मैं बहुत कुछ बोल भी गई because मुझे दिलचस्पी है लोगों में ये जानने में कि उनकी शुरुआत कैसे हुई, उन्होंने क्या कठिनाइयां फेस की, and then how they've been able to overcome that. And they all have such big dreams, and I wish you all the best, and more power to you. And just remember, जब amazing हो सकती हूँ तो normal क्यों बनूं? That really is now going to be my mantra, so I'm repeating it to you again. And thank you for really keeping alive our beautiful traditions, our legacy, our heritage, and for keeping it relevant and taking it forward into the future. God bless you all.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. लेकिन जाने से पहले कहते हैं ना कि इस मोमेंट को हमेशा के लिए इमोर्टलाइज करते हैं एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ के साथ. चाहूंगी कि हमारे साथियों को ये मौका मिले विद्या के साथ. So at this point, me and Minari, of course, will step aside. This is your moment, the Sakhis with your Shakuntala Devi. Go for it. Fantastic. And I think विद्या आपके लीड को फॉलो करते हुए हम सब क्यों ना एक एक्शन ऐसा करें कि हमें हमेशा याद रहे. Like yeah, thumbs up, yeah, everybody thumbs up. Let's all do it, guys. आइए. बहुत बढ़िया. Fantastic. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Say cheese.
Cheese.
शुक्रिया. एक और बार आप सबका. My mom just messaged me saying cannot wait to watch Vidu with you. तो बस यही हलचल चल रही है, क्या अपनापन है. देखिए तो सारी माएं जो हैं वो आपको विदु बुला रही हैं, दुआएं दे रही हैं. Thank you so much once again, Vidya, for being with us today and for being part of this beautiful moment and this movement, as I've been saying. आपसे हम दोबारा मिलेंगे, लेकिन फिलहाल के लिए हम सबकी तरफ से शकुंतला देवी के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. All the best to you once again.
Thank you.
And
please say hi
Amazon
to your mom for me. And thank you, Rohini.
Thank you so much. एक और बार Amazon कारीगर्स, Amazon सहेलियों की तरफ से, मिनारी की तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for standing with us and for standing for Handmade, with Stand for Handmade. Bye guys, take care of yourselves and don't forget Shakuntala Devi tonight 12 बजे Amazon Prime Video पर.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Rohini.
Thank you.